In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. For this, you have 6 options. Option number 1. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause loading issues. Option number 2. Close and restart Roblox. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the game can resolve temporary glitches. Step number 3. Restart your PlayStation. A simple restart can refresh the console and potentially fix the problem. Option number 4. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Outdated games can experience loading issues. Option number 5. Check Roblox status. There might be ongoing server issues. Visit the official Roblox status page to see if there are any reported problems. Option number 6. Contact Roblox support. If none of these solutions work, reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. They can help you regarding this. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.